sit down for me? What is up on my bum buckler? What's up on me name for? Me never said to you, but I couldn't sit down for me. Get up, my man. Full time. Me come right here, so. Alex, me come back over here, so. Alex, every time when you dey for me name. You can't see a sentence without me name. Not one sentence. You can't say, yo, you come off of my blood, come off of my name, you know. Come off of my name. Me don't know say they pay your birth paper, make sure call my name, so. Everything I say my name, you know.
Serpent. MC, you a serpent. Every day you get up and you a vent, you need to go repent. Marcia, you a serpent. Every day you get up a vent and you say you want to repent. 99 gonna keep them talk if them talking. And bark if them barking. Cause 99 got a lot more coming. So just keep talking for talking. Oh, 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 oh. Because the yellow bus is coming. Talking for talking. 99 got a lot more coming. What's up, people, my people? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? You don't know what to do. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember, please, to watch the ads. Go over the backup channel and give it a strength. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Life is a Mission TV. You know, family oriented TV. Over there, peaceful and calm. Just go over there. Get your little drama, your little commentary, entertainment, cook vlogs, you know, outdoor cooking. And the big thing to come, we're getting closer and closer to that, the adventure channel. Adventure part of the channel, you understand? And hence the reason why I've been requesting some form of, you know, thing to give some form of contribution. PayPal, Zelle, Tel, Del, Cash App, Bash App. You know, and as I said, I finally decided to do so after 9 months. You know, because I'm still getting the requests. So, as of yesterday, which is Monday, the Cash App was officially put on board. You understand? So the Cash App will always pin in the comment section. $, Life is a Mission TV. Alright? If you look on the video yesterday and probably the day before, we will all hear they call it now, how the Cash App, whatever come in the Cash App, how it will work. You know, $10,000 bag of grocery for probably each person who is in needy position, not greedy position. You understand? Every month. You know, if it step up, can go two every month, so be the case. But honestly, I wouldn't really want to go 2 every month because I not plan to take on a big charity business because I depend on that. Because I don't want my name mixed like Kool-Aid. You understand? Yeah, and they got here say, see it there? Yes. Them teach well by 99. Something come for look. Me not come for look nothing. But because a few people are requesting the Cash App, some form of method, I decide, okay, I'm going to go ahead. Alright? And as I said, you not going to hear me come out and beg on nothing. I will just remind you that the Cash App is there pinned in the comment section. So probably do a video, wanna feel nice about the video, or wanna feel good about the video, when me do wanna feel like, okay, go and go buy one bottle of water, see one $5, see one $10. You understand? It will go back to a worthy cause. Not in fitting my personal bills, but to a worthy cause and to support the Life is a Mission channel, because as me say, adventure take money. You know? Yeah, adventure take money. And me don't really want to know my supporters them come from overseas or anywhere. I want a nice little cookout vlog and thing, and me go out there and me have to charge, you know, for do it. I want we all come together with certain things put in place. You understand? Like utensils and stuff like that put in place. So when you not come, it's just the necessary things. Like where we are going to cook on the day or whatsoever, you know? No extra cost, like me have to go say, okay, me I charge you no extra the vlog and the cookout, and no. That is what me have to give back to Uno by Uno supporting the Cash App as Uno requested the Cash App. Alright? Anyway, stay tuned, because the video, you know, it's all about Marcia. Because me I tell you people, every day Marcia raise the level of bad mind, jealousy, and covetousness. Every day she raise the level. And in this video, it is clearly to the viewing public who are going to view this video, me not ask you know, so it's all about what me just say a while ago. Because you're going to hear the woman speak about every single thing that AD involved in her. And this is a woman who says she now watch AD. Someone if a people send all these stuff to her phone. And if you are not interested in watching AD, why make people continue to send stuff in your phone pertaining to AD and you continue to open them and you know it's all about that? So that only goes to show how liar is. You understand? So, speak my mind people. Stay tuned and walk me on the ears because she kind of talk low in other video, you know. You understand? Probably like how the place so quiet now because we have a lot of rain today. Nice little rain, me I tell you. When I come out of my bed, it was like, you know, me never want to come out. So the place kind of silent now. So one might hear, but one have to listen good because it's like she realizing herself so what she a do is very messy. So it's like she not come out from the belly bottom, she just a chat because the whole, you know, body just contaminate already. So she can't do no better. So stay tuned for MC. Marcia, you love chastise platform holder for what people said in the comment. I mean notice you have this moderator on your page we call Funny Girl because she not a honey girl, she's a funny girl because she watch everything from Dana like you. She dep on your platform and she talk all kind of things day in, day out. I mean never yet as a moderator on your program tell her I say don't say it or don't this or you tell her to remove the comment. See a commenter where you dep on your live right I talk about Sarah honey girl, Dana is a dirty girl. Money don't make people. It can only make people look good, but it has done nothing for her. Honey girl, not even Marcia Gala me no see you there. And when people ask you how them was looking forward to see you, you tell them say you did have other engagement. So after you know say Marcia where you come on your platform come disrespect people for every day. Come on our platform come disrespect people every day. You know she keep a gala as a moderator for nearly 9 months out. And you find other places to go. You not show yourself in a phone, but you not come and bad up on yourself in a comment or not the baddest thing in the comment. And go see how I don't know pick me a beat you know. You understand? Every day you come in at Marcia come in, disrespect the woman. You understand? And Marcia never one day tell you say don't do it or remove your comment and make she deal with it. But it says she love come on people platform. Even the people when she claim to say she geek over head for use her content. When people go into them comments, she want people for the people them for control who are coming. And she now control you as a moderator upon her program. You understand? And you man say you so lie. What do when the whole Obia saga, big people, this is another video where me I dissect, you know. When the whole Obia saga come up and the whole Africa business and whatsoever, you ball blood. So you don't know nothing about them because you never go Africa yet, but yet still, you're there talk where you want to go from where you want to go, and you're tired of Jamaica, and Jamaica is not on your mind, you're not in for Jamaica, Africa you want to go. Anytime you are go back Africa, anytime you are go back Africa, that simply means you go Africa already. But yet still, you talk what you when the whole voodoo saga talk about with you, so you're never going to Africa yet. So you don't know nobody I talk about. And you they come say the greatest man of Africa I'm there. Anyway, my people, time now for dissect the real video when I want to dissect. But just bring that across because I buck up in night.
Long time nothing go on for we. Find some new words to talk about. Because you in that Jamaica a long time and nothing go on for you. Nothing never go on for you until 2 years. And even though you think there's something not going for you, something still not going for you. Because you sit down on social media, on YouTube, like a coronation market, will live a marketplace. So no.
One, you gotta say nothing not going for you, just the last 2 years, something not going for you. You should shame for say so. Because you're a big deal with so much slash of your name. Nothing not going for you up to today. Never did I go on for you then, and up to today, nothing not going for you. You go say she sit down on YouTube and Facebook, then how you sit down on it and you turn up on it. Or you drop off of Facebook. You drop off of social media. You fight to get up back, you know. You understand? If you did have the opportunity where 99 have if you earn or she earn off of social media, you'd have be one of the biggest thing right now, because if you don't have nothing in your life, you not make nothing as a 30th year veteran on social media. You understand? Or 20th year veteran on social media. And you're going like say you're the biggest thing on social media. Oh, me a vet I ran out the air. Oh, me only if you pay me respect me a vet I ran out air. Then suppose you did make a few shilling like when 99 I make off of social media. So she have a right to sit down on YouTube. If you are sit down on it and you not make nothing, and she has been encouraged by making it, so why not? You gotta talk about the woman just start life 2 years ago. Kuyato, her riches she come from to rags and move back from rags to riches.
Still not going for you.
How much only they gonna run at the risk there? Run out of riches without any form of abuse and come to rags. No fun never gonna do it, because no fun love handout. No fun want to just sit down and get things. Just like how you sit down and get government free, all Medicare, all kind of things. And this is why you praise America. So you think you love America? And the freeness where you can get from America. You understand? That's why taxpayers' money where you can get for nyam out, drink out, and go all about.
You come and show off yourself and talk about how you see in your showroom and this. Of course you can show in your showroom. You're showing your profit from Miss Richie funeral. You're showing your profit from the woman where you collect from the college fund and the boy college fund. You sitting down pretending like you're Miss Goody Two Shoes and you're not. Don't talk about America, because America put you where you are today. And even though America put you where you are today, you're going like say you're a tablecloth, but you're still a dish towel.
You should have shame. If I me like you, me not utter that. And that's why I don't say you're an idiot, you know. Because if you is an American citizen and you live in America for over 40 odd years, and America not put you nowhere, but you have a company, your platform come say America put a Jamaican we never ever put foot in America yet. We want to say can't come America somewhere. You should have shame. You should have shame. For your holder of an American passport who boasts how he's an American citizen, America not put you nowhere more than give you free health care, free home care, and free everything care. You should have shame. When you got talk about she not move from table towel to dishcloth or dishcloth to table towel, you not have no move from where you there. You will going forever be a footstool and a foot towel and a foot cloth and a foot mat. And when I say foot mat, I don't mean the type of foot mat them where you put inside of your house. I talk about the foot mat them you put outside of the entrance. Or whether your driveway, your veranda, your car pouch, or outside of your doorway, where when all rain fall and you walk come in from out of the mud and the muck, or the mat that you wipe your foot pan before you enter the one in your house, or the type of foot mat that you is. So now compare then about this towel and table towel, because it's far better than the foot mat where you is. You should have shame to come out and talk about America, build the woman. The woman who can't fly go America is called into Uno. The woman who never ever fly go America, America build her. And you for 40 years as American citizen, American do nothing for you, but hardly freeness where you live off of taxpayers' money. Try.
To be a tablecloth, you're still a dish towel. Not drop no word about you. Not drop no word upon nobody a foreign, because you have to send your people and come a foreign to have a better life. And up until now, two of your daughters have not returned back to look for you. From them left Jamaica up until today.
Oh, what jackass you are. So, alright. So, for instance, she have to send to her daughter come to America to have a better life. Who don't want a better life? Only you. Only you and your cronies don't want a better life. And that's why you're non-ambitious. Everybody want a better life. So anyway, some other do the worst of things, forget a better life. So why somebody who have the legal, clean, nice way to have a better life must not take the opportunity? Oh, they must not take it, but they want to go on cruise. They want to book in some of the most luxurious hotels. They want to eat some of the biggest king crab. But they want to eat it off of taxpayers, not their hard-earned sweat. You are going to say the woman two picnic them. Because a three picnic woman of America, you know. But you single out two because you know those two have not returned. You understand? You are worried about the woman two that have not returned to Jamaica to visit her. What if that is their choice? The thing about it, it is evident that she and her two daughters them having a good relationship. They correspond regularly, if not every day. Unlike you, where your son living in the same country where you live in. And just like how AD is a social media person, you are a social media person. When Ladian come to Jamaica, we see Ladian in a phone. Despite him not love the phone thing, if I ever come and shy and say, "Aye," you see him in a phone, just like how Josh should have shy. Yeah, I see him wait. But at least we see him. We hear him talk. We never ever yet see CJ in a phone or even come visit you and the same country you live in. Might not the same state, but probably just a couple hours away, you have to take no plane. You understand what I say to you? And CJ no come look for you. You never used to go look for CJ on a regular basic. It's all of a sudden now when baby born no one, you know, grandson come in place, like grandson draw the band between you know, a son now start visit. And I do have to go visit him. And it take months, weeks, before you could have go visit the grand picnic. You understand? Because what? You and CJ not have the band there, where your son. Because you give a CJ as a puss kitten. Just like how your mother give you as a puss kitten. Because you end up with about 3 fathers, you know. Because you talk about Taylor, Campbell and one next one. You understand? That you come and own all Taylor things them. Because that's all you do. Go over in a phone and own people things. Whoever like that Jamaica, you know. Go check the Taylor them down, so. I can't be your name, so you mix up with Taylor. I bet you did say dressmaker. The next thing, the woman build her house, and I talk about her woman shan. You come, you take on the woman. You're not frightened for woman shan a long time. You're in a mansion a long time. You used to work with the people them downstairs. You say this. You hear what you say? You used to work with the people them. Or you go compare somebody thing where you used to work with, where you might just live in. You understand? To somebody who own them own mansion. You not think when you come on your phone come talk, you just talk because you feel like when you talk, the audience gravitate to what you say, like the little nasty germsy one where a salad that come down when you're honey girl, funny girl. You understand? Before you go look for your salad where I come down, you're not farmer, but you still have salad that come down. Go look for your salad where I come down, man.
As far as I'm concerned. So remember, when you are drop out from foreign, remember say, majority of the people who makes you become half a tablecloth or quarter a tablecloth, remember the big old US dollar we compare to 155 to your currency. So when you're dropping word on people, remember the people who are funding your lifestyle and who serve a lifestyle that is cleaning your ass, cleaning your house, and protecting you, remember, are the same people that will live here from Wappy Philip and
don't talk about no protected you. Just say it the way you normally say it, she appear. You understand? But you just tell the woman so she will come with new things. Stop coming with the same old story every day. What are the same old story you come with? Yeah man, are the same old Anansi story you come with. Where only try if you put it in the back of the donors them head. Say, una hear that you know. Una see the woman act downgrade on America, una clean shit, una live in a basement, una live in a that or another that. You understand? The same old story. And if at them are fun, our lifestyle, And nobody now fund your lifestyle. You should be getting the same treatment or better. For somebody who come and boast how much you're superstar and you're this and you're Tara and you're Wara. I beg you, I feel I beg people for things, you know. You understand? I beg people to give you accolades. I beg people to give you respect. I know so it go, man. You do your job and you gain your accolades and gain your respect. I saw it go. When you put out the work, and the people them say you put out the work, I saw them give you your respect and give you your accolades. You don't have to come out come beg it. And that is why me know say it's not no big deal. Because anything you have to come and beg. Don't know say me had this. Don't know say me had that. Beg you this, beg you this, beg you that. And yet still, when you come out come beg it, you still not achieve it. So that even prove you more. Say it's not a big deal. Because all when you come out, you not get it randomly. And when you come out come beg, you still not get it. You understand what I say to you?
And stagnant. Okay.
You own a mind for in the position with AD, you know, and that is why you feel the way you feel. You understand? This is why you feel the way you feel, you know. Because you don't have nobody to wipe your ass. You don't have nobody to protect you. You don't have nobody to cook your food. You don't have nobody where you can say, Johnny, fresh. You don't have nobody to say that. Tina, you don't have nobody to say that. You understand? So, you kind of stress out over somebody when not look at you. You stress out over somebody when not even listen to you. You understand? And everything the woman come say is a bother to you. You will see a man in this video say, you know, say, I know you alone, she a talk, but you know she a talk to you. So why you have to pick it up? You couldn't make it pass your ears, say a big woman. A big growing ass woman, an adult like you. You come out and say, you know, you alone, she a talk. Why you alone pick it up? Why you are the first to pick it up? Eh? I saw you obsessed with the woman. Eh? Boy, me I tell you.
As much as me you might have think so nothing now go on. Same thing I go
Nothing
on
now
because
go
I'm
on for
still
you,
living.
man. Look at one sheet where you say nothing now go on for you.
My shoes them look better than you.
And the
And
government
everything look
subsidy
better.
where you get.
So don't come and talk about nobody stagnant. Don't, and I'm telling you, I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. The blood of Jesus is against those words that are coming out of your mouth that you have been saying for the past 2 years now, since you and I had clash out about my business, whatever. It prospering because I live off a
Dana come out in her phone and she make a general statement. Because the whole video where Dana do where she talk about, you know, is the whole thing about Miss Lawton. Dana always come out and say, enough of them this, and enough of them business just stagnant. Enough of them a do this and them try everything and it not work. Are you alone in a phone and do business? Eh? You didn't not be a cake. So if anything, all the cake lady should have take up the cake girl should have take up this, not you. You understand? Because Dana not sell sheet. And Dana sell sheet, she not sell them the quantity sheet there. A quality she go sell. You understand? So why you take up the argument? You go plead the blood, no the blood. Every day on the call down Jesus. Jesus are the only scapegoat you can use. One day you go jump on Jesus and think it's a scapegoat when you look, it's a ghost ride you get. And when you don't realize it's a ghost ride, you get on the pan, let me off. The ghost just climb higher and higher, we don't know. And when you say let me off, and him know say him reach gravity now, where him know say him can't let you know off. Because by the time when you reach down, the wind, the atmosphere, you understand, and all that will do its job where on is concerned. Yeah, man. We're not going to get a ghost ride. We're not going to stop ride Father God back, man, and get a ghost ride one of the day.
Up until now. So your words don't mean.
You can't compare yourself with Dana because honestly, you're not lookable. You're not lookable. All you're going to say, Dan a bad shape, than whatsoever. If you say, boy, we're going to mask Dan a neck, yeah, so, and mask your neck, Dan a going to get chosen over you. And say, we're going to come down from the face now to the chest, Dan a going to get chosen over you. Not to mention, you come down to the belly, and stop under the belly bottom, Dan a going to get chosen over you. If you even go around at the back part, yeah, so, Dan a going to get chosen over you. If you go by the color of the skin, Dan a going to get chosen over you. You understand? So, no other compare yourself with the woman. This is the lowest level you can go. Obsession. In this video, people, the woman bail out everything. We show you how much you watch out the woman. Every step, every move, everything what she do. You know, just listen to the video, you know, and listen how she does a touch on every little thing where the woman is concerned. From her baking tin, to the file, to the oven, to the kitchen, to her house, to the bedroom, to her personal life, to her body, to her front, to everywhere.
In a damn thing. His song says, if I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. And I'm talking to you.
That song there for you, because you already come down already, you know. For the past 2 years, you come down. Because you did that at a level, you know, where if I never feel greed, or covetousness, or want to move too fast and don't wait your turn, probably you'd have moved from where you're there and go up. But guess what, me know? You didn't want it to happen too quick, which is the wave, yeah, the planker wave, and it not happen. So instead of your move go up, your move come down. So the song when you talk about yourself, and you it go far. You know, see, since then, I've heard up the woman a soar. Like an eagle in the sky. Yeah, we just a soar. The woman a what? Soar while you're stressed. Marcia, you're stressed. Because the dirty foot man nah give you no sex, Marcia, you're stressed. You just a blow out your face cause you're stressed. Cause the dirty foot man nah give you no SES. You're stressed, Marcia. And I take it out for 99.
You, cause me know say me, you're dropping word pan and other people. But I am going to speak for myself. Them have a song that said, if I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. Come off your pump and pride. Anything you have to show in your show.
She might have the opportunity to come off of your one, but you drop off of your pumps and pride. You drop off of your one, Marcia. Kakai Curly Campbell, you drop off of your pumps and pride. You know why you drop off of your pumps and pride? Yes, sir. Clean up your heart and come. Dirty heart can't sweep with broom. So you have to clean up your heart and come. And now you clean up your heart and come back, who know you not gonna accept you again. You understand? Because the way how you comes out as a big growing ass woman, nobody now give you a second chance. You understand? Once beaten twice, so help me Lord, that can't go on again. You understand? You not go just mad out. Mad out. Mad out. Remember that. Once beaten twice, so help me Lord, it can't go on again. So we not going another chance. Go find a chance with somebody else on a Christmas yet. The balloon not there so.
I miss Richie funeral money, the college money, and the boy money and other money that you have. All I eat enough here from cake and pudding. Because over a year I had no be nothing. And a little dividends the way I get fee.
Oh, so you expect a Dana Oatless like a yo. Oh. You expect 99 for Oatless like a yo. Okay. Me can bet you. Dana build our house. You understand? And it not take chicken feed to build house. Especially a house of that magnitude. Especially how hard Dana gonna become. Me can tell you. Because for the past, for this the same 2 years where you say, hey, did upon our pumps and pride, me just freshly build somewhere. So me know the value between the last 2 years and now to build somewhere. Unlike you, we not even have a tattoo or a foul coat. Not even a matches box with two of the same matches stick we come in and catch it up so. So you don't know the expense of building a house. And as me said, to all hard Dana go on her place, yes, it take money. And me can bet you all what Dana spend on her place, she still have more in reserve than what you ever have in your life. Because me can bet you right now, you now value 20,000 US dollar in a no farmer saving. If you even have 5 different saving, put the 5 of them together, you now value 20,000 US dollar. You have just thank God for credit card and government subsidy. You understand? Yeah, man. Just thank God for that, because that only use and go on, And the two little $10, $20 sheet them where you sell, kind of back up on a daily basic. Because you're going to say the woman not have nothing because she not pay for over 1.5 year now with their liar self. The woman be December gone. And December yet, where December make 1 year. Would I make 1 year? So you mean the woman not be for 1.5 years now, so she not have no money, and where her money come from? So where did that come from before, 2-3 years before when she do? You feel like she ought this like you for crab leg it out? You feel like she ought this like you for cruise it out? You feel like she ought this like you for go resort it out? You feel like she ought this like you for go buy a man for marry to? No, she put her money to use and invest her money. Plus, she have her endorsement deal them. We are bringing money where you have nothing at all. So you got to talk about the woman, one wish a question like your question where the woman money come from, about Miss Richie and college student money. Every day you prove the person you is. I'm glad and thank Father God as I stand up here, so Father, I thank you with all of my heart. You never make 99 go another day or another month with this old serpent. We need to go repent every day. She come out and vent on the woman name. We claim to say she was an acquaintance of the woman. And this woman have not done this dirty ass woman nothing at all. Nothing at all. More than just a little disagreement because of her corrupted heart that she have. And the woman separate herself from her. And because Father God, the woman have done that, this woman turn her back and turn upon the woman night and day till she form alliance with people who was already there crucifying the woman. Mighty God, you sit high and you know. Just do what you have to do, mighty God, to change the situation and change the heart and mind of these people that is in the world. Because with them, your job is going to be much harder, because we will never come across a better world with people like them in it. You understand? I dare you come show me 20,000 US dollar cash when you watch a video, yeah. I mean, know you're going to see it tomorrow. So if you can't come show me by tomorrow, nobody come show me, because you can't go borrow no money come after.
Whatever commercial, whatever sitting where you see a name depend, that ain't giving you nothing much. So don't come out and show off. You can't show off by me. I will not.
Is it true? You don't really get quatty off of social media. You might don't even know. Right now, me can't tell you this. Me have a small platform. Me not know nobody in a social media. But me can tell you, 99 at the level, despite all the one of us say she lose followers and she had this and her page, nobody now watch her and ray. At this stage when 99 they right now, with even 1,000 somebody watch her at night time or evening time or whatever when she do her live, me can tell you this. 99 can sit down and live off of YouTube if she continue in just a she not have to go no higher. She just no want to go no lower. She can sit down and pay her bills and maintain herself and do her business with YouTube money. She not have to do nothing else. But because why? You depend on social media for how long? You gotta come and talk about it's just why their Facebook start pay and rare. YouTube did pay a long time. And you have a channel a long time. So if YouTube did pay long before Facebook, and you realize that this is what me I try to show you, you don't have no investment skill, you don't have no knowledge of earning where business is concerned. You don't sit in the business when I deliver, and the business where I deliver you turn your back against it because you have no investment skill. You understand? And then when people comes along with investment skill and prove that only did I do something wrong, it's like the person them shame on you. So I want to take it to heart, I want to come out, I don't want to discriminate. Because this is what 99 do, you know. All I want to do in a phone long before her. She showing how money can make by phone. But enhancing her personal business till now she get paid for whatever she do on phone from the app holder. Where uno now see that. And that one a problem because in the phone all long and she come and make much money. When you not hear how much $1,000 she make a month off of YouTube, you know shiver. I don't know teeth them a rackle. Cause now say oh no they are all long and you can't make dime. And the little one I get now when you realize the money can make from it is a drop in the bucket. And you have it in the back on the head, so on a big deal, on a star, on a senior. So on a figure more or less say that should have put on it to the top for earn. But at the work where you put out make you earn. You know, just earn so.
Kate about your piece of house down there. House can't go anytime. I want you to take a look.
You're the non-ambitious woman. House can go anytime. So if Dan have to take sick tomorrow morning, at least she have a house can stay in her and help reach her where she can people come look after her. If I ever sell back the house to somebody who said, so nobody now come from out of the area come buy it. But if she reaching a crisis, she can probably sell the house even. Say it value $10, she can't sell it for $20. No, say it value $100, she can't sell it for $20. That is way below the price. Somebody will buy it because they know it value more. What you have to sell? If there is a day where come where some difficulty and emergency reach you, non-ambitious woman, you have nothing to sell. With all the tailor land where you talk about in a phone day in, you have something put up and not even one acre it? No. But through you're non-ambitious, you don't want nobody bill, so you're going to criticize the woman house. Anybody in life when you have dreams of owning them own home. Non-ambitious. Remember me tell you that. Yet same like how the house can go as you say. Anything else where you are worship no can go. The cruise where you are worship after you come off of the cruise, you know, the ship gone about it ways, you know. You can't look on the ship, you can't go back on it, and you have to go pay another money if you go back on it. After you go in one of the resort, them your time up, you have to come out, you're going like it come back at your yard, come sit down and wait for you. Our house will always there. So this is what me I say. Every day you come, the more you talk, and the more your level of jealousy, bad mind, and grudge will go up. And it's like you can't see it.
Take a look at life itself. And take a look and see if a disaster come. Who is going to send you money? And when the money run out, and look at that, look at your flesh.
So if a disaster come, who is going to send Dana money? So let me ask you a question now. So a charity money Dana spend? Come talk to me and talk to the people them. A charity, what are you saying? A charity money Dana spend? You say who going to send Dana money? Want to where she invest and a save and have? Not true you not save and have nothing. You feel like everybody are gonna be the same like you, non-ambitious. Eh? Why I tell you?
And see that your flesh don't mean nothing. Your clothes, your perfume, them. Where I worship, your furniture, them.
Listen, you know. This is a woman, you know, watch Dana none at all, you know. And all the way she speak of is all the way Dana do, all the way Dana talk about, and all the way Dana have. So just look on the high level of jealousy and bad mind. The eye is a high level, you know, man. Just listen how the woman has sing loud come right down from me and dissect the video until now. Listen to all the things that she has sing loud, down to the woman perfumes.
Yeah, worship. It means nothing. Go up on Google and Google some worm. When your skin is decaying and you don't even dead yet. And look and see what the flesh is all about. How the flesh can rotten and maggot.
I'm glad you know. Because you done a rotten already. You're full of all kind of Congo worm. And you mean your life state here. You understand? Congo worm is something we eat. Carcass and them something there, you know. Yeah, man. But, me don't know. Living carcass, it seems to be you are one. So I don't know. Because Google all of them the worm there and whatsoever. I don't know what you're thinking about yourself also. So I don't know what you try to differentiate here. Me never know say the Google worm them when you Google only make for 99. Them never make for you. So why you don't Google it and come attack? It no make no sense, it not relevant. Eh? Who watch a show with the zombie them? When Marcia not in a no wig, and Marcia not in a no makeup, Marcia favor the zombie them with them the pan. Marcia is a living zombie out of makeup and wig and clothes. You know the show name Return of the Living. Return of the Living D. The zombie them in it man. Are you that Marcia? So now compare yourself with 99.
Falling out. And you would have said to yourself, say, is that my flesh? You just get a womb. And so somehow on heart out the time. On heart is full with maggot.
Jesus. How Marcia just said a while ago? Marcia, you have a heart for talk about heart. Marcia, you have a heart for talk about people's heart. No, sir. That's what I'm saying. No. You see, if God was like man, as me tell you, no, all them they does behind them like a dolly. This is a woman clearly where you are so no good. I got come talk about somebody's heart. Just listen to the video and listen all of what she has said. She come from the woman chimney on her bed, the woman cologne, the woman lifestyle, the woman picnic, the woman brokenness, the woman richness, the woman house. She come from, she touch everything about the woman. For somebody when I watch the woman, you know. So you're not supposed to know them sitting there because you're not watch. And if people are sending it in your phone, you know what she them are sending about, so you're not interested, so you're not supposed to look. Because I know right now, probably one of our admin can send her something with you and she might look on it. But if people away from our admin them where me know now go send nothing in her phone like that. Send anything with you. Once she have a knowledge of you, she don't want to see it. So why you sit down and taking everything for the woman? That you can talk about everything so much and then I talk about people send you. People have time for, at least probably dirty only girl have them time there for waste. Because she ever in your comment down in the woman throat. Me never know say she had the woman tonsil. Now I see only girl, the moderator upon Marcia page. We go on like a year than a tonsil. You ever down in the woman throat. And your platform all and now tell yourself to delete your comment and not say them something there or whatsoever. Or at least she if you do all the way you are trying to say. But when time she go up on people page and she see people and make comment, she chastise the platform holder about the comment. But she does nothing about her comment section where it is so disgusting that the persons who are making those bad comments, derogative comments, discriminating comment and disrespectful comment, they are all women. And then when you come out and talk about we man, if one woman bring down your own gender, you not stand up for one another. What you expect man to do? We are the barrier breakers. We men are the barrier breakers. So if you not stand up for yourself and we have to come broke the barrier, we are going to break it. You understand? And with only girl with all of these disrespect, Marcia don't know nothing about it. Remember that.
And that's why you behave like that. You not sell yourself to the devil. And that's why we know Hannah.
It not look like a sell yourself to the devil. You come like a give yourself free to the devil. You no sell, no price never depend you when the devil want you. A free. You come like a footballer. Him contract up with a club and him go as a free agent. No price never depend him. Yeah man. A free you go to the devil.
Dana go, or whatever is 90 Dana, anti Dana. You can't pop no style for me.
Already
As long
a
as
pop
God
already.
breath in you.
Cause me said Dana just pop style, cause you get the Kyle. Man spend the money pon you all the while. Pop style, Dana cause you have the Kyle. Man spend the money pon you all the while. Marcia no have no man fi spend the money pon her. She want murder man and she have to buy the ring. And when the man check it out, the man no bother married her. Cause the man come from Jamaica and still no married her. And every man me know want married to somebody we have citizenship. Because them want them citizenship to live in America. And them never take fear buy fear so she have the ring in her yard, they put down. She have to look another man for marry to. And all know she can't find another man. Because the dirty foot man, me say she can't marry to him. Cause pop style, Dana you got the Kyle. Man spending money pon you all the while. Pop style, Dana you got the Kyle. Man spending money pon you all the while. Boom!
You can't walk in my shoes no time at all. No time at all you can't walk in my. You could have $1 billion or $1 trillion. You could never walk in my shoes no day. Even if me live in a shit house. You could never walk in my shoes. First of all, you don't have no class. You can't dress. The makeup don't fit up on your face, that's number one. You look like a whole rock doll. That's number one. There is so much you don't know if you name. You name like a
Where does a while ago? Bulk food, mama. Cause be a bulk food you know me now. Cause you don't know what kitchen is like. I must say 6. All the calorie when you buy again what you're supposed to spoil. Cause you buy one bungalow already, you ball out so it spoil. You understand? Me know the bungalow calorie you buy what you not cook it. And it gone over 5 days now or 4 days now. So it a go spoil. But you only buy it for the camera. Cause you're not going to your kitchen go cook that a bulk food you want for them. And when you turn the paper in your man. We can't find that paper. Are you? So nobody come talk about yam. Cause nobody no yam horrible like you. Your yam like yam in a come out of style like you are dead for hungry. I saw your yam. So I know you come compare about yam. Could you too?
hug. I mean, there's so much thing. You have no class.
What kind of class you have now? What kind of class you have now, Marcia? Somebody come out in a phone and cuss bad word for nothing at all day in, day out. Because you feel like that your subscriber them love you for and your followers. For you're a big woman. Or when nobody no trouble you come out and cuss bad word. Because you make it look like when people trouble you come out and cuss your clock them. Or when nobody no trouble you because your belief is that how the people them love you for. So you come out and you cuss your clock them without any reason at all. So no come blame it for nobody.
People keep on talking about how somebody jealous of you. Then nobody not jealous of you in
Of
America.
course. You are one of the
Nobody
biggest
not
ones.
jealous of you in America.
Right now, me tell you honestly. If somebody when I be a cake and even the lizard over there, you're worse than the whole of them. Because you not be a cake and you behave so and jealous so. And you was somebody who was acquaintance, according to you, you were acquaintance with 99. And just listen how you behave. This video alone, me even go back in the past life. This video alone describe you. Because you touch on every little thing where the woman is concerned. As me say, from her chimney to her sheet on her bed to her cologne, to her lifestyle, to the man where she had take, to her clean her. You understand? So you prove all your jealousy and everything to a higher level in this video. We them not talk about the past one them. Cause discover all of the past one. It come like you compile everything. To that your graduation day. So you compile everything. Cause you have to pass the test. A result day today. Could you too?
Are you jealous of me actually? You're intimidated by me. When it comes on integrity, your lack of self-esteem, you're intimidated by a girl who only have 40,000 followers. 40,000 followers and my name is all over on the blogging page. I'm a setting trend, me now follow.
Your name all over in a blogging page. And you setting trend. Your name all over for the wrong reason. You understand? You are trend for the wrong reason. You are trend and you not collect. People who are trend are collect. When you are trend, you are collect. Your name are called all over for the wrong reason in a social media. So don't come fool of yourself.
You know, see what you have to do? You have to recruit. You have to recruit people to cuss for you. You have to recruit people to tell you what to do from what not to do. Planka, wanna think, Planka? What? Planka?
Just like how you have to find yourself around go over one girl page over Facebook. Them sitting there and sitting there what you used to do, you know. But what? You seek refuge. You seek companionship. Because you're lonely, your life lonely. You sell, you know, you're miserable, you're tormented in your soul. And if you notice, with all the way I go on, over so where they are team up with, and they pan, send me them video, they lar, send me them. You hear them come out in defense of you. Because what? You did run into them and buy friendship. You understand? Because the bug turn on and bite you. So them ain't no great defense of you. They might say something now and again, but no great defense of you. So unlike you, I run to everybody I seek refuge because you look a community to defend you and hold your back. But it not gonna work. Because all of who you run to is just the same person like you. You understand? So blind can't lead blind. And from there, one of that one try lead on one another. And the whole on the blind alike. So one can't see on the way. And even left light reach the end of the tunnel. You won't know because it's still going dark. Remember that? Because the whole on the blind. So you still not gonna see if light reaching the tunnel. And remember now, you know. If me go and lock my eyes so. The glare of the light, me still know say light there. But if me go and somebody come and cuss and put them hand over my face without even touching my face, me know cause it get dark. You understand? But if you move your hand, me can't see glares. But even when you reach the end of the tunnel and the light bright like stadium bulb, you still not gonna know cause you not gonna stay blind forever.
A piece of plywood? Planka. Think for yourself.
You gonna say the woman if you call, look help and this and that and whatsoever way you say. Content you search, I know. You see it. What better way to get your subscribers and your followers, your supporters involved in what you're doing at times? I saw it have to go. The biggest a star do it, get them supporters, them subscribers, them followers involved in what them do at times. You understand? And this is why you have to come out the one way you come out every day on phone. You notice, AD can come out, she don't even know what is her topic. But she just come out and she come and she come out and 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 sit down on the live and wait for her and she not come out with that topic. She just like, so what you saying, plankers? Good afternoon. How are you doing? Boy, my eyebrow them. Coco come fix me up here today, you know. Coco always a fix her up. But 2,000, 3,000 still sit down on the live and watch her. You understand? Till the topic come. Whether it come to our head or it come to our comment section. But that's how it goes. You can't do that. You could never do that what AD do, Marcia. You understand? You have to interact with your audience at times. And that's what you grudge human for. Because you can't have two. Because anytime when you have 500, somebody sit down and watch you know. And the people that are clowning you know. Because look at it. You will have all 300 somebody that watch you. And when you look on your likes, all 20 likes, 30 likes. What that tell you say? We not say if you have 10,000 somebody that watch you, each one I go give you a like. But your like supposed to be at a certain level if you have 500 or 10,000 somebody that watch you. Or 5,000 somebody that watch you. And once your likes are dead, so especially in other platform area where we there, if you were supported by the people that will watch you, your likes gonna be 5,000 somebody, 3,000 somebody that watch you, and you only have 30 or 20 likes.
Stop coming on social media and put down people in America. Because you see, when you put me down, you put down all.
Stop try this,
So
because
if
you do the
believe
same
say you
thing.
can
The
come
people
from
them have
your
sense,
own
it not
mind
work.
and believe say me alone or other persons on social media where you and them in a brawl, you drop down. Put down the whole of American people. Because let me tell you something. And millions of us and thousands of us are Jamaicans that live here from all over the world.
Marcia, stop try this. So don't try this every day. The people them smart. The people them know say they are separated. You understand? You know, see, said people them still then I come out and just talk about people living in a basement. Nothing wrong with people living in a basement. But for all like you know, 40 odd years, and you now have the ambition of building nowhere, whether home or abroad. You understand? And your life are living with roach and rats. With one bag of cockroaches. You understand what I say to you? You should have able to have somewhere where your own 40 odd years. So when Dana come out and talk like people like you, and the thing about it, you claims that you're fortunate. So basically, you could have done it. So if you fortunate and could have done it and you don't do it, and you are bounce around like a bouncing ball, wait till you say, you're not an ambition, you're not ambitious. Putting away from the people them where not getting the opportunity, so they have to just go and live them life day by day. You have people who are putting the sacrifice living in a basement because them know where them want out of life back home. So instead of going to rent one place where them have to pay $1,000 every week, them go rent one little basement where them have to pay $400 or $300 a week. And the next 6 or 7 go a yard. Because when retirement time come, them now look for retire in the country where them there, them go back home. And like you know, see it that way there. Because you're non-ambitious. You're not no ambition. It's all about flossing for you to come and brag what you can do from what you can't do. Because you go up on cruise and you come and you brag. That make you any a better person than the man who own one bedroom when you don't own none. You can't be a better person than the man who own him one bedroom because you still a pay rent. The cruise ship where you go on for 1 2 or 1 3 day, it gone back to its destination while you have to come back home to where you pay rent. You can't better off than the man, but you see it as somebody where you're better off than because you can't take cruise, you can't fly here, you can't fly there. What you have behind the flying, more than an American passport. You have no substance. You understand? You have no future, you have no foundation. You have never good savings. Every day you come and talk about your CD. That's all you can talk about. What about your personal bank account? After 40 years in America. What is CD? I don't know, but it seems to have something to do with government funding or some savings from where you used to work, like pension or whatsoever. Probably something like that. I don't really know. But I know it's not a personal savings. And your personal savings you shall come on phone and brag about. No, sir.
world and Caribbean that been here for
You come talk about 99 should be able to visit other countries and not only Canada. The time will come. She travel to England already, we not question why she can't go back. Someone else deport, she get deport. Whatsoever. You understand? The truth will come forward when she ready. When she have to come America, she'll come America. When you say she cannot come. So how you go feel when she come when the time is right? Someone you go as far as a question, oh she takes so long to come through. Whereas her son in the army, it should be easy. Way. All of that to sit down and worry about the woman business while phone no wanna spoil. Not even the biggest a deep freeze can carry, not even a bombing fridge can carry back phone business while spoil.
countries and not only Canada and Jamaica. You understand? When you must show me a passport that you can travel across the world, and you must show me the history of giving back to society. You can never catch me.
What do you mean the woman fish? First, this is what I tell you. See what she boast about? Our passport, you can travel the world. You are travel the world. You know what people they have a passport and better off than you. Me can't tell you say me better off than you. And me they have a passport. Much as you travel just to Canada. And me better off than you. Me not ask you that, Marcia. Me not ask you, me better off than you. And you ever come now and talk about the woman for show your passport. Eh?
All and the other big. And not because you might get the money from the people to build houses to give to people. It's not your money. You see the charity that I...
Then if you come prove charity to you. What can I prove then if you prove charity? Everybody see it. Nobody knows about your charity. You are the one that comes out and speak about your charity. So you're supposed to be the one who comes out with your evidence and proof. The last time I talk about it, they talk about phone never that prevalent them time there. And which part me they down in the country, I forgot put on data, and I forgot this, and sometimes it still not pick up. So you can't talk to nobody because you don't have no evidence. And all of them pantry food the way you used to pick up and pack in a barrel and ground and beg old clothes and the old rotten sitting them where you have in a sell out where you buy. You know the China sitting them where you used to pack and carry come here. Go see the whole of down at your parish to me and poison. And probably that's why your charity have to stop. Because the people them stop you from come there with it because them realize that when you come the people them are sick out. The whole of the village it are sick out. Too much things something when not good. The people them are sick out. You come and boast about charity where you have no evidence of. Me see you go as far and post some pictures and videos from way back when you go dig up out the archive. So how you can dig up not even one little charity where you do and come. You buy one madman one food on the road and one $200 food or one $500 food and give a man a $500 a charity that. You ever take up 100,000 and give somebody out of your pocket and say, well this? I mean them not go US, I go Jamaican. The sorrel girl, Dana don't know her from nowhere. She just come and sell Dana some sorrel and Dana start buy from her. And at the end of Dana cake sale, Dana give her 100,000. Go and go improve your sorrel business. How much 50,000, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, 2,000 on a daily basic Dana give it. So if Dana if you talk about charity, compare that to you. One time I said Dana take about 300,000, give to 6 somebody, 50,000 each. You ever do that yet? You can't do it and that's out our business money. I not talk about people charity money. So how dare you compare yourself and nobody have knowledge of your charity?
I've been doing for almost close to 30 years is my money. It's my money. Mine. Not nobody else on social media. Mine.
Jealous because your platform can't able to do it than a platform do, so you try single it out and compare. Why do you call up the angel? Because you want to prove a point. And your point was so blunt that not even if you put it on a machine with a sander, it can't sharpen. Because you try to prove a point. So yes, you can earn. And you take about 3 days for earn must $3,000. I don't even know how much you earn. Somebody tell me say I want about $3,000. Last week, I said Dana sit down in a Rushmore less than the time where you use. Got 3 days you no use. And earn nearly $2,000 worth of a grocery. And you want to compare with Dana. Eh? You talk about December. Watch charity December. You go shame. Because it now go far better than we go on before. Worse, the $500 mix up. Oh. Wanna
The
thief.
difference between your charity work and my charity work, you get hands out, me never get none.
Use a platform and
You
try
get
get it.
hands out, I never
Yeah,
get
try
none.
to
Me
the angel,
work
so
hard for
continue.
it.
Come prove
So
yourself.
when you
We are
want
give you
to, if
up
you
till
want
next
to
year.
learn
Continue with the angel.
for yourself, learn for yourself and stop listening to people.
Because the angel, you have a platform and the angel have a platform as an entertainer. I want to can hard earn $110,000. Just look at it now. Because she come on your platform, you know. From she go live, our people them say she go live. So them supposed to come over upon the platform and come contribute. Where was the contribution? Where was it? Two big deal. Two giant. They on one platform I try earn money. And can't earn it. And when Eddie is down in a rush, Marcia alone as a single giant. Eh? And you compare.
And that's why you're always going to be in a mix-up. You're always going to be in a confusion. You're always going to look tired and whole.
Nobody talk about tired and whole, Marcia. Because Dana reached 50 before you. And you look whole and Dana. As me say, you feel just thank God for the cheap and clean and the makeup you always put on. And it kind of carry you half. Thank God when the person them did invent them, they sit there. Because if you did go natural, me don't know. You don't see people, you don't walk on the road and people just run from you. As me say, it's like a zombie. Return of the living D. People just run from you. So you talk about look woman look old and this and that. You can't compare yourself. Lock off a light and put AD and you in the house. Whosoever, whichever man, they must find AD. Because your ugliness are show through the dark. So nobody compare yourself, please.
Because you're taking up all of your cult members them problem. And you start to look like them.
No. We're glad when we drop you as one of the cult member. We drop you. Yeah, we drop you from early.
When people are come attack, where you love to call people big greyback, you can't call about the big greyback because your back is very big and broad like one zinc.
Show you how illiterate you are. When the woman said big grey back, she don't mean literally your back big and grey. She just are terms of describing the persons. Not literally mean your back big and grey, Marcia. Come on now, Marcia. Come on now. And when you gonna learn? Not even Google will help you. Because every day you come out and you blame Google. Because of Google, you depend upon to spell for you. You depend upon Google to tell you certain things. And remember, where you put in a computer is where you get out. So you can't ask Google for Jane. Want ask Google for Jane. And you say, Google, where is Maine? You have to pronounce the word properly. Because it's what pronunciation. Google hear you pronounce. Google will give you. And if it can't be found, you see it come up, request cannot be found. Me not go tell you if you type in, because me know you can't spell. Because you not go to school. You never go locally, and it has been proven that you never go internationally. More than you just go to little nursing something where. Them something they come on and start. Quick, you box up that and thing. Because the practical, mostly. You understand? Yes. So me know say, I'll Google a failure because you can't pronounce. And then you blame Google.
We can put a whole stop. You don't have no shape either. Your belly not flat either.
So you have shape, Marcia. Marcia, you want one compass. I thought the one we use until we used to go to school in the geometry set. Who remember geometry set? I not thought that one day. I thought the compass where the man them use all upon the highway. When them measure up the highway. And you know them have them little bend where them have to go around and corner and them use them big old industrial compacts there. And one of that you want to give you a little shape. When you got talk about belly, leave that out tight. Jesus, man. Come on, man.
No call nobody no big greyback. You're the last person on social media should be calling about the big grayback. And you're the last person should talk about the stagnant.
You're stagnant.
You were
40 odd
you were
years
a
and nothing.
housekeeper. You were a janitor. So know your place before you come and rank with people. You are an uneducated girl. So now
Me just touch upon the educated part with that. Me touch upon the part with the janitor now. You should have shame to come out and talk about the woman is a janitor. You understand? And a 2 year now since she know life. Which we know, as me say, she come from rich to rags, from rags back to where she is. You know shame. You know shame to know say the woman was a janitor and a clean shit. And you could have come out on social media, come expose that. And the person where you talk about, where are they now? Look at me now. Look at her now. Look at Dana now. To where you is for after 40 years in America. And Dana never fly go America yet. Look at her now. Comparing to you. To somebody where they do all of that what you talk about. You should have shame to talk that elevation. And because you don't have no ambition, that's why you can't elevate in whatever you do. This is somebody where you are described of doing the one probably of the lowest job, you know. Look at her. She elevate and she never get fired. She step off. You understand? She step off by resigning. Oh.
your followers them come over here come cuss me and talk about you're not brighter than me either. And you can't speak like me and you don't have
Where that I go, Marcia? With all of you speak where you spoke and you can't even speak, you know. Because you can't even pronounce a word. Some of them know where speak I go with you. But where that I carry you go? Where are you now to the person who cannot speak? The only thing you have in life where you come and brag about. You have nothing else in your life. You have no shame, no ambition, no credential, nothing at all more than a US passport with a citizenship in it, where you can lose at any given time because you're not a born and bred American. Alright?
right. You will come out one day and apologize to me. Me not ask you, me I tell you. And that is a fact. One of these days you will come out and apologize to Marcia Campbell for the
You walk a beg apology for everybody. You beg it from Fladan. I know you beg Dana for apologize. And she will come out come apologize. So Dana come out come apologize to you for. Who are you? Whether Dana apologize to you or apologize to you or not, it is not a here or there for Dana. It not help her up and it not help her down. So why she will come out what you have to offer? You're not nothing to offer. You already show what you have to offer. So what the apology is for?
lies them that you tell and the set on where you set on your people them to come and cuss me.
People, at the start of this video, she styled Dana as girl, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna make you listen, she styled her as, you know that B word there? Yeah. So I'm gonna listen keenly. At the start of the video, she styled her as girl. This is how these big ass grown woman behave in a phone. For nothing at all. What Dana have done to this woman, if she come out and behave so like how she have behave against her. This is somebody who have meet Dana, not like the rest. You understand? And said she were acquaintance with Dana. And it has been proven Dana don't do her nothing in her phone if she come out and behave so. So now listen.
Yeah, Campbell. And me quite live to see that. Today is the 9th of September 2023. Me, Marcia Campbell, live to see that. You are a bitch.
Here. Alright. Speak my mind, people. We come to an end of another video. Thanks for watching again. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember the backup channel. And people, all of who requested the Cash App. The Cash App is now available. $, Life is a Mission TV. It will be in the description, and it will in the comment section. Remember, me now come beg on nothing at all. Uno request it from over 9 months now. The number of people are getting higher and higher and higher. Not only just repeated persons. You understand? So I will only come here. Every video I do, I will remind you that the cash app is there. But me now come beg you, beg you $50 now, beg you $10 now. And if you don't watch the previous videos, yesterday video and the one before, me tell you the goal let me see. You know? Yeah. In using the funds, enhancing the backup channel, and to help somebody every month with $10,000 worth of grocery. So all of who always a request, come man, we want to bless you man. We want to send you something man. Wait. It is there now. 9 months of our thinking about it. It is there. $, Life is a Mission TV. Pin in the comment section so you can't forget it. And in the description. And remember, the young college student, young entrepreneur, support our YouTube channel. Help her to reach 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to our channel. Support our business. Custom made tumblers, mugs, cups, necklaces, chain. You know. Visit our website. Check out our business page on Instagram. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.